Today I'm reviewing the Honest Beauty Calm and Porefect Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out don'tbsbeauty.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, I should mention every time I see myself, I look so much more tan than normal. And I picked up, thinking I was saving like 20 bucks, the Dr. Jart BB Cream Premium, the gold one from Jolcy, since the one at Sephora is like double the price or whatever, triple the price. I think I was saving a little bit of money, but the one at Jolcy is one shade fits all. I'm not sure one shade fits all. I look a little tanner than normal. And the one at Sephora is like 3 different shades. So anyway, sometimes you save some money, but you don't. Because this one, I don't know. I'm going to have to give it away or something. I just think I look too tan. Maybe I'll save it for, I don't know, something. Anyway, okay, so I think this is my first Honest Beauty product review. I've got quite a few from them that I wanted to get to. And this one I picked up 2 or 3 months ago, I think at Target. And I just saw it recently came to Ulta, so now I thought it's a good time to review it. So they call this the gentle way to glow. Calm and Porefect is formulated with niacinamide and Honest Beauty's calming phyto blend that helps visibly improve skin texture, minimizes the appearance of pores, and supports the skin's natural barrier, all without all too common reactions like over drying. Skin feels plump and hydrated. Porefecting never looked so good. Okay. So my first criteria is packaging. I'm not super crazy about the clear dropper bottle. Dropper bottles are kind of obnoxious in and of themselves anyway, but they're here to stay. But it's effective and very heavy. Not the most travel friendly. If I had to travel, I'm picking this one. That's the 4th-Ray Beauty Remedy Niacinamide Serum. And it's much lighter, but anyway. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured or drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those, which is very nice. And it is also fragrance-free and has no noticeable scent, which is a good thing. It's manufactured in the U.S., so no issues with that. Ease of use for this one. So I used it this morning. So typically what I do is in the morning I'll rinse off or cleanse my skin with a light cleanser. Then I'll do a light toner, and then I'll do a niacinamide serum. Lately, I've been using this one from Honest Beauty. I used it this morning. Then I'll apply my moisturizer, and then sunscreen and foundation and go. So this one is a little bit thicker texture for niacinamide. It's got kind of a gelatinous texture, if I do say so myself. It's kind of like a jelly or a little bit. But it does absorb pretty quickly. It smooths into skin nicely. Plays well with other products. There's a little gnat that just flew by me, which is driving me crazy. So very easy to use. You can also certainly use it in your evening routine. I've just found it's easier for me to work my niacinamide in the morning. Especially when I'm using other products and ingredients in my evening routine. Just to simplify it. Get them kind of evened out. So it works very nice daily. You can also use it morning and evening if you prefer. For me, I just like using it in the morning. And no issues with pilling or anything like that. So some niacinamide serums can kind of cause pilling. And I didn't notice that at all with this one. So that's very nice. Then we get to antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. So obviously we've got niacinamide, which is great for so many things. If you haven't heard me talk about it, it's great for brightening the skin, strengthening the skin barrier, hydrating the skin. It's a good for anti-acne purposes. It's a great ingredient for so many different reasons. They don't specify the percentage of niacinamide in this serum. I have a feeling it's around 5%. That is my educated guess based on where it falls in the ingredient list. It's not the second ingredient, it's the third ingredient. And typically products with a lot of niacinamide in them will specify. So like if it's over like 10% or 10%, they'll state it. So I have a feeling it's about 5%. Then we've got that phyto blend that they mentioned, Phytosterols, which are good skin conditioning and hydrating ingredient. Phospholipids, good emollient and skin identical ingredient. Hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate. Obviously, we can't get around that. That has to be in every product that's released these days. It's a good humectant, along with Saccharide, Isomerate, another humectant. Then we've got sodium nitrate, which is typically in a lot of toothpastes. It's also listed as a skin-soothing ingredient. Seems to be very slightly controversially used in some products, but overall it's safe for skincare. Then we've got linoleic acid, a good hydrating amino acid, and then hydroxyacetophenone, a good antioxidant, which I cannot pronounce. So not the most exciting ingredient list, but a pretty basic ingredient list with some added moisturizing and hydrating ingredients, which is nice because some niacinamide serums can be slightly drying, which I think that's why I love the Forthray Beauty option. The one from Maylove is great, and the newer one from Beauty of Joseon, the Propolis and Niacinamide Serum, is also a nice option. So I find the one from The Ordinary to have kind of a sticky, unaesthetically pleasing finish, but a lot of people absolutely love it, and it's a bargain, so nothing wrong with that. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free as well as vegan, so no issues with that. In terms of performance, it gives skin a little bit of plumpness and a little bit of hydration. Works nicely into most routines. And if you continue using it, you will definitely notice an addition of brightening of skin. Your skin feels healthier. You should have a reduction in breakouts and things like that. And the other great thing is it's great for acne-prone skin because there's no ingredients to be majorly concerned about that are majorly acneogenic. Although I do find hyaluronic acid to be a little bit acneogenic, it officially doesn't rank anywhere. So what am I going to do? Then we get to the price of this one, and in my opinion, it's $30 for 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. So that's, what is it, 10 cents a milliliter? Or 1 cent a milliliter? No, $3 a milliliter? I'm so bad at math. It's good I have YouTube because I would not be a good mathematician. Okay, so it makes it an affordable serum, but comparing to a lot of the other niacinamide serums that are out there, $30 is a little bit pricey. The one from Forthray Beauty, this one is, I believe, $13. The one from The Ordinary is like $8. Good Molecules has one that's super affordable, and the Inky List as well. So $30 is a little bit pricey in my opinion, but not ridiculously so, but just compared to other niacinamide products, it is pricey. Then we get to the it factor, and I love that it's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. It's a great niacinamide option for acne-prone skin. A little pricey, but it's still a good option for a niacinamide serum. I do wish they would disclose the percentage of niacinamide in this. Just makes it so much easier, because if you're going to use other products that have niacinamide in them, it's kind of nice to know how much you're using, but you know what, I'll email them, and if I hear back, I'll let you know. I have a feeling they won't disclose it, but you never know. So, with a 10 being a perfect score, this got a 9, which is still pretty good. I guess every company has to make money, so I get it. But still a little pricey, but anyway, I am interested in hearing from you guys if you've had a chance to check this out, or if you have a favorite niacinamide serum. What is it and what do you love about it? So leave a comment. I love hearing from you. Or if you have any other Honest Beauty favorites or must-tries, let me know. Kind of getting in the brand and seeing what I like. So love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much.